This is Ibrahim Mahama. Something happened today. Stephanie, thank you so much. Something happened today, or should I say yesterday in Ghana. We were telling you Ghanaians, our own people, we were saying that it is not normal for Ibrahim Mahama to be giving his private jet to John Mahama, the president, to be using for free. Were we not saying that? People were like, oh, MPP for the Mupesado do 38% for 38% for. Hey, I said Bia Nipa Kebia is 38% for. So we have to keep quiet. Then we saw the president once again using some car car now as a robot Terminator car. I say a twin turbo V6. Na car no ko who interior na enye easy. Luxurious vehicle. Luxurious vehicle pa enye easy. Then we say like John Mahama dey aden. What about na say I will buy no. That is what you are using our taxpayers money for. And this for say yanka ya no tum. Na John Mahama did not use taxpayers money to buy that car. Ni Ibrahim Mahama ne tomano. How? Ibrahim Mahama used his money to go and buy that Lexus bulletproof twin turbo V6 limited edition for his brother for free. So we said that okay, we are being overly reactive, so let's keep quiet and watch what will happen. Now I'm here tonight to tell you that what we were expecting will happen is beginning to happen. Say yeah. What we were expecting to happen, what we knew, any well-meaning Ghanaian that knows that there is no free lunch anywhere, what we were expecting that it will happen, it has happened. Oh. Do you know what is happening? You remember we were saying, say, John Mahama, His Excellency, the appointment of Sami Jemfi to go to Gold Board, to go to PMMC, Precious Minerals Marketing Company, Aya Banjuma. It was not something that was just for fun, because Sami Jemfi, Ibrahim Mahama, small boy. And he say you are pointing to say Uncle Bibia gold no. Thanks for the gift. Uncle Bibia silver and the others are no. Maybe there is a grand scheme. Then after a few weeks, they brought Gold Board. What was Gold Board about? Let's listen carefully. Gold Board was basically that all the Ghanaians who are in small-scale mining, legal one, they were going to revoke all of them their licenses. And then NDC government now was going to be in charge of giving out new licenses. That is not all. Again, they said that all Ghanaians who go and buy gold and go and sell it outside the country, you cannot do that any longer. It is Sami Jemfi who will determine who will buy gold in Ghana and go and sell. And we said, where is this thing leading to? So we started asking questions. We were like, okay, is Anglo Gold part? They said no. The big mining companies in Ghana, are they part? They said no. So we sat down, we started drawing, connecting the dots, and realized that the reason Anglo Gold is not part and some of the big Newmont Eco are not part is because Sami Jemfi and NDC, them say, if they go to those people with Sankosiasema, they can take them to courts outside the country. Because if you go to Anglo Gold and you say that by force, your gold, you have to sell it to me, Sami Jemfi. You cannot go and sell it outside the country any longer. They will take you to court. And in Supreme Court too, they can take you to International Criminal Court. Right? So they didn't want that. So the Ghanaians who were doing mining legally, so the likes of Wuntumi and the others started showing their crafty powers. Nothing do my shoulders, but that kind of thing. Now there is a big mine, Bolgatanga. big mine ɛwɔ Bolgatanga. Information richness ɛne sɛ saa big mine a ɛwɔ Bolgatanga no yɛnua allegedly yɛnua a yɛfrɛ no yɛnua yɛ papa Ibrahim Mahama, he has gone to take a loan to say he wants to go and buy that concession. Remember, in Mahama 1.0, they were about to sell the whole country's bauxite to him, and God brought MPP, and that stopped. And yes, sir. Now Mahama 2.0, Ibrahim Mahama is no longer concerned about bauxite or gold or ska gold. You might think, say, now the voice here, where has he gone to hear this thing that he's saying? The voice also there, Timichan throw. So I came with evidence. In Pamucha, I'm Bright Simmons. Bright Simmons, oh yeah, go for a from CSOs Imani. Only Franklin Kujo ni deputy. Or the assembly na Abetudra. Or Twitter. Munya voice. I've taken time to screenshot all of them. I will bring it. We will read it together. And then also the company involved has come out to speak. Company, no, I think Azumah or something like that. They come out to speak. So we will all read it together. And you are going to see, say, what we told you, that John Mahama, His Excellency, the second coming is not because of you and I. He has come to kill, to steal, and to destroy. He has come to create, loot, and share. Yanchendi abain. Yanchendi abain. Kululu abain. That is what he has come to do. So let's go into it and let's start reading together, as we always do here. We will all discover it together. No, I think I'm jumping the gun here. No, I think this one. I'm looking for the one first. Good. So let's start reading from here. Let me drag this here. This is covering my face. All right, let me do it this way and then come this way so I can see my face as I read. Good. Can we all see? AFZ Foundation said, my friend, you are not ashamed of yourself. We so called checking the DPR. Name to say cartoon bill. Let's move on. All right, so let's read. So you can see that this is Bright Simmons. And the voice. I think these are one of the few CSOs that we can say they are quite neutral small, because every nine people are buying mono. Now they were hard on us, and this year so we are beginning to see them talk. Now let's read. Or say people have been asking me about the latest with engineers and planners, EMP. Now you say engineers and planners, Ibrahim Mahama the company, yes sir. Number two, I say, well, as I like to say, accountability is a marathon, which simply means engineers and planners has definitely been on our radar and will be for some more time. What it means, they say, the means says since John Mahama came, no, they are watching his brother closely. Number three, they go forward. They say the day before yesterday. So he was typing it. I can confirm more US. You are still in your day. So let's just say they were typing it today. He was typing it today. He said the day before yesterday, something bizarre popped up. Bizarre means that something funny, tricky, something mysterious popped up. Engineers and planners is planning an event on Monday, 7th July as follows. And this is the event Ibrahim Mahama's company was planning. Event title: Facility Agreement Signing Ceremony. EMP, acquisition of Black Volta Gold Project. So you see the word gold has appeared already. So engineers and planners are Ibrahim Mahama company, no. They organize a ceremony Ghana Monday, and the event title, they say they are going to acquire a Black Volta Gold Project. Time near 1 p.m. Location near Marriott Hotel, Olympia Conference Hall. Now it continues. Number 4. Engineers and planners says that its acquisition of 100% ownership stake of a large-scale mine in Ghana, a black water gold mine in the Bolgatanga Birimian Greenstone Belt, is evidence of it continues, right? So you see the location, Bole. What does Bole signify to you? Mahama's hometown, right? So the second thing also you must pay attention to is a large scale mine. What does it mean? It means large scale mine there on the omukonya musika omugoda. It does not go through gold board. As for them there, they can go and sell their gold directly and get dollars. But for Ghanaians who are struggling, who are in legal small scale mining there, by force they must sell their own to some agency. The one Ibrahim Mahama is going to buy there, or he claims he has acquired there, as for them there, by force they can go, they have the freedom to go and sell it outside in dollars. Let's continue reading. Good. So again, EMP, you couldn't buy a whole gold field, but your brother has come to power. It's just 6 months. You are already buying companies that are existing who are in none other business than gold. Number 5, how EBID, ECOWAS Bank for Investment and Development. So John Mahama comes to power. 6 months, suddenly, his brother, Ibrahim Mahama, is going for a loan. Do you remember how in John Mahama 1.0, the same Ibrahim Mahama went for a loan and had troubles paying for it? You remember? And we even heard allegedly say he even issued fake checks and all those things. You remember all those things that happened? Now his brother has come again, and he is going for another loan, $100 million. And you know, before you go for such a loan, once your brother is the president of a country, they will give it to you, because influence speaks. That is why he couldn't have gone for that kind of loan when Mahama was in opposition. You are beginning to see the things now. He continues. Number 6. What a fantastic national champion story. Recall my earlier claim that EMP has been looking to buy various mine assets in Ghana so that it can progress from being a contractor for mines to an owner of a couple. So Bryce Simmons is saying that since January, John Mahama Baba Emono, say dear, Ibrahim Mahama company, they are just going about looking to buy people's gold concessions. So he explains to you why Chairman Wontumi will have a legal license. They will take it from him by force, that they will not renew for him, and take him to Iyoko to punish him for it. It will tell you how mines in Ashanti region now, they have sacked the rightful owners, and the NDC party boys are there. They are the ones who are digging. So you see, Bryce Simmons is showing us that indeed something untoward is happening. And now Bryce Simmons no, onye MPP new. These were the people who made sure MPP lost the election. In fact, Bryce Simmons, Franklin Kujo Nemo, he is the one revealing these things now. Number 7, he says, there is only one small problem with this fine story of Ghanaian entrepreneurial glory. My very strong intel shows that EMP hasn't done any 100% acquisition. So what is happening here is that they've organized a program that they are going to buy somebody's thing. So let me use example. Kumasi Queen is watching. So let's say Kumasi Queen has a car. Then I've gone to organize a program that, come for this program, I'm going to buy Kumasi Queen's car. And Kumasi Queen is not even aware that somebody is buying her car. And here then, a Takeshi, by force, you have to sell it to me. That is the kind of thing going on. So, allegedly, they've gone for a loan, and the loan is because they want to come and buy something. Whatever they are coming to buy, for which they are going for the loan, the people are not even aware that they are coming to buy their thing. Let's proceed. The real owners, number 8, I was wrong, of Blackwater Gold Mine, which is to say the majority shareholders of Azumah Resources, have been waiting for more than a year for E&P to find the money and pay them the 100 million they asked for the mine. A mine now worth over 300 million US dollars due to the rise in gold prices. So you see, under Akufo-Addo 1 year ago, the same Ibrahim Mahama's company went to these people that they wanted to buy the mine. The people said, okay, we are selling it at 100 million. For a whole year, they could not find 100 million US dollars. Suddenly, John Mahama comes to power. They give John Mahama the private jet to travel with, 1, 2. They buy him a car to use as president. Then they have been able to access a loan. Suddenly. So it continues, it says, number 9, Azumah Resources has become so anxious that they have served engineers and planners with a termination notice until E&P finds and brings the money. No deal. So you are seeing, number 10, this whole situation being too crazy to even imagine, especially since the invitations I saw were on Azumah Resources letterhead. I dug further. You won't believe this. Apparently, the invitation wasn't authorized by the executive management or board of Azumah Resources. Wow. Which means, they are doing elimination by rough tactics. Whether you like it or not, this gold mine, you will sell it. So they even invited media and people that they should come for the selling of the gold mine. Meanwhile, the owners of this thing are not aware, and they use the company's letterhead. This is not me saying, you can see it, and maybe you take it out. I'm the one who typed this thing. Go to Twitter right now. It's on Simmons, his page. Number 11, you heard that right. E&P has reached out to the media, a major hotel in Accra, and many dignitaries in the name of Azumah Resources to announce a handover of Azumah Resources gold mine to EP. Can you imagine this? Can you imagine this? I'm buying Kumasi Queen's car. I've not paid her. So she wrote to me that until I pay her the money, I cannot use the car. The next thing is that I've gone for the car without Kumasi Queen's notice, and I'm chilling with plenty girls in the car, and I'm playing loud music. That is what is happening here. The final banger. Number 12. So just like you, I was totally puzzled. But my sources too are scratching their heads. Everyone is totally stumped. The main issue here is straightforward though. A, if engineers and planners want the mine, it should just find the cash. No long story. B, the ECOWAS Development Bank, whatever, angle is some way, because engineers and planners struggle to service EBID's last facility. It had to be restructured. So what it means, they say, even the bank they are going for loan from, or they claim they are going for loan from, they went to borrow money from that bank and they couldn't pay it in time. They had to go and beg them for them. So it will be difficult for that same bank to give you loan again. So if you are claiming that bank is giving you loan, it is awkward. Is that not so? C, the president of Ghana is working hard to bring back investors into the resources sector. The ministry and regulators should sit up and get serious about repairing the image of this jurisdiction. Too many of such investment disputes around, from BCM to BGR. D. National champions are great, but they must earn the title. I hope the media isn't asleep. We need to see them chasing engineers and planners and Azumah for the full story. Ghana and drama. So this is the story. Breaking news. Major breaking news. In case you didn't see the flyer, this was the flyer that engineers and planners released. Engineers and planners, a Ghanaian-owned company, has secured $100 million from ECOWAS Bank to invest in acquisition of the Black Water Gold project. But as it stands now, the $100 million has not got into the company. And we also know, sir, it will be difficult for the bank they are claiming to give them a loan. The reason is that they went for a loan before, they couldn't pay it in time. So even if they have the $100 million, where is it coming from? Where is it coming from? You now see what we're telling you. When they allocated over $300 million to Sami Jemfi's Gold Board, and we were asking questions. Are you seeing now? Are you seeing now? Are you seeing the results? When we tell you that every vote, every single vote has implications. Are you seeing it now? A family is taking over our gold. A family is taking over our gold. The company has come to speak. This is the company. For immediate release, Azumah Resources Ghana. Disclaimer: Azumah Resources not party to purported acquisition of Black Water Gold project. The company they claim to be buying the team from, that they want to buy their team by force, they have come out with this release. Accra, Ghana, 4th July 2025. Azumah Resources Ghana Limited wishes to formally distance itself from a document currently circulating in the media, purported to be an invitation to a facility agreement signing ceremony between engineers and planners acquisition of the Black Water Gold project, scheduled to take place on the 7th July 2025 at Marion Hotel. We categorically state that Azumah Resources has neither sold nor is in the process of selling the Black Water Gold project in whole or in part to any party whatsoever, including Engineers and Planners Company Limited or any of its affiliates. Neither the board of directors nor the executive management of Azumah Resources has any knowledge of or involvement in the said event. We have not entered into any form of acquisition agreement with any entity, nor have we authorized any third party to act on our behalf. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. I hope you saw it. I hope you saw it. So what is happening to our country? Somebody can just say they are buying something that is yours even when you are not selling it. Our motherland, Ghana, land of freedom. That land, just because his brother is president. Just because his brother is president. And you see, do you know what is going to happen? Because his brother is president, they might go ahead and go and buy it and go and take it by force. But this company will go outside the country and will go and sue Ghana. That will be the sad aspect. They will not go and sue their family for them to use their own money. They will go and sue the state Ghana. And then they will sanction Ghana and award them a judgment debt. Then they will use taxpayers' money to go and pay for it. But they will keep the gold. They will keep it. So you see there's no free lunch. You see what is happening. Today they are coming for Kwame. Kwame's gold. Tomorrow it might be Kofi's gold. The next day they might be fed up with gold. They might start seizing people's buildings. Either you sell your land to them or they take it by force. Is it already happening? This is the reset Ghanaians voted for. This is the reset Ghanaians voted for. So you have seen where the entire gold board thing, why they stayed in parliament up to 2 a.m. to pass the gold board thing, and they sent Sami Jemfi there, and now you see where it is landing. Stephanie said, oh, Ghana. Yes, sadly, this is where we are. Ebusianfo, I'm done with my expose. I want to listen to you also now. So send your request. Let me pick you. Let me hear what you think. So send your request. Let me pick you and let me hear what you think about this breaking news I just brought to you. Hot from the oven. You can send your request. Let's talk. Let's have a conversation. The family, the Mahama family, they are taking our properties. They are taking our properties, so